If you're struggling to get your first 1000 subscribers, this video is for you. Hey guys, welcome back to another video. It's your girl Creative Blessing. Here we'll keep it real and we grow together. So I'm going to be showing you guys the safest, easiest and the best way to get your first 1000 subscribers here on YouTube. Mind you, this is not trending sound, viral music challenge, trending or viral sounds. This is a very organic method, and I want you to follow me step by step because I'm going to be showing you how to make this happen for you on your channel. So if there's something you want to see, go ahead, like this video, subscribe to this channel if you're seeing my face for the first time, and let's go straight into the video. So guys, the first thing you're going to be doing, you're going to go over to your videos. So we're going to be looking for one of our videos we have uploaded on our channel. It could actually be a video you're about to upload. So now we're going to be converting this video into a short video. All right, so I'm going to walk you guys step by step. So let's get a video I created. So for some of us who create videos with our smartphone, this will work very well for you. But if you don't have your video in your phone, no problem, you can as well transfer it into your phone, your laptop. Any device can work for you. So this video, we're going to be converting this video. This is a long video. We're going to convert this video into a short video. And mind you guys, YouTube has a way of pushing short videos, so this is going to help you reach your 1000 subscribers really quick without affecting your channel's growth. So let's convert this beautiful video into a long form video. All right, so let's go over to InShot. You can use CapCut, you can use InShot, any editing software of your choice. So for the purpose of this video, I'm going to be using InShot. Okay, so this is the interface. So I'm going to click on video. So you click on the plus sign. You see that video that I already have on my channel, the video, it could be any video you're about to upload. We're going to bring it into this InShot app. Okay, so let's get that video. Where is that video? Okay, here's the video. So you're going to bring this video right here. Now the first thing you want to do, remove this InShot logo. Okay, always make your videos look professional and sharp. So we're going to remove it. So this is not a paid version. I'm not paying for this app, so I need to watch an advert. All right guys, you can see the logo is already out of here. So the next thing you want to do, I want you guys to click on canvas. Okay, in case you have your video in this format 16:9, always make sure you place it here. You see this TikTok logo 9:16. Always make sure your video is looking in this fashion because we're going to be uploading this video as a short. So you can just drag this video if you want it to be a little bit bold, just drag with your hand. If you want it to just remain the same, you can leave everything the same. Okay, now very simple fix. These things are very easy, very simple to do. Okay, there is no technicalities here. So guys, the first thing we're going to be doing here, we're going to trim this video into 1 minute video. It could actually be less, but always make sure you look for that catchy part of your video that is going to attract your viewers to subscribe and also click on the video to watch it. So now let's just make this video 1 minute. Okay, could actually be less than. So you're going to split, you click on the split and you delete the rest parts, and this video is less than a minute. Now this is what you can do to this video to bring more life to this video. You click on your text to generate captions. So to generate caption, I think you need to watch another advert. So just watch the adverts. So like I said, if you don't want adverts and all that, you can just pay for the version of this InShot and you have access to all these features for free. Okay, you can see right here the captions have been generated right here, over here. So you can drag, you can, make it look more fancy. You can edit your captions, you can change the font if you want any font of your choice. You can actually change the way it appears to your viewers just to capture their attention to the particular shot you are going to be uploading. Okay, so now you can see captions have been generated for this video, so you can drag closer if you want this video to, fit in more closely to your screen, whichever way you want it to be. Okay, so now the next thing we're going to do, one more thing, I want you guys to click on text. Let's go back there, click on text, and you're going to write full video below. All right, I'm going to be telling you guys the reason why you have to do this. Okay, you need to do this so you can usher your viewers to click on the link below the short we're going to be uploading. So now the full video below is like telling them they are going to have access to this short video of yours, the full video right below. This is really beautiful and very easy to create. Trust me, this is very simple. So after that, you can just save your video into your device. Okay, so this is just going to take some time and it's going to get saved into your device. So now this video has been saved into your device. So the next thing we're going to do, you're going to go over to your YouTube app. So we're going to be uploading our short video, which that's the long video we just converted, which is this video. So you come. Do you know you can blow up in 2026 as a small YouTuber with zero visibility? Right. In this video, so you can see this video has been converted into a short video. Really simple, quite easy to do. So now you're going to upload this as if you're uploading your shorts. All right, so the good thing is, do you know you can blow up in 2020 subscribers at the same time giving your video a bigger visibility so that more people can watch your video? Is a very good way to promote your video to your audience. Okay, so now the next thing we're going to be doing here, you're going to be adding a very good description. Do not forget. So let's say this video is about let's say the title of the video is get 1000 subscribers. Okay, so we're going to be doing that. Now the next thing you're going to be doing, you're going to be adding your hashtag. Make sure it's just something simple and related. So let's say 1000 subscribers, let's say YouTube growth. Okay, so this should do. And the next thing you want to do, make sure that the visibility is placed on public. Do not private or unlist your short videos. All right, so now after that, you want to go to the audience to make sure that it is placed on no, it's not made for kids. Very, very important. So now here is the most important thing you need to do in this video. If you want to also make your views to increase, you click on related video. So once you click on this related video, go to where you have the long form video. That's this video you just converted into a short video. So we have it here. So this is a way I actually used to get more views on my videos. Most of you don't know about it. So you're just going to come here and see that the video has been placed here. So the purpose of this full video link below is this particular link that you just related to the short. Okay, so now I can just decide to change the cover to something very nice. Okay, so this should do. So just to make it look more catchy, play around this thing. This thing is very simple. So I don't know if you guys understand this. It's going to help you get your subscribers, and not just getting subscribers. This is also going to help you get views on your videos. So tell me what you think in the comments section. If you found this video really helpful, tell me what you think in the comments section. I'm going to see you guys in another video. Bye.